You see that?
Girl, I am the problem because I wake up and choose madness every single day.
It's good to have a baseline. I love you. There's nothing ever where it needs to be. Look at that shine, girl. I don't really like pin straight hair. I like big straight hair. You know what I mean? Like big blowout looking straight hair. You get what you know what I mean, girl. Ty, when the fuck are you gonna take off that chipped ass red nail polish? Soon. I had plans to do it last week, but I went to the dollar store and forgot that's what I went in there for. Oh shit. No fucking way. Oh no, we lost power? How the fuck? Don't get your hopes up. I'm literally doing just like a little bend. Next one's gonna be this one, I can feel it. Did I just lie to myself? Yeah, I don't wanna do it anymore. Big hair, you know? It's just big hair. You see? Aha. Yeah.